Okay, so what?
Okay, the boys get 4 of these apiece. I get 1, you get 1, and Chloe gets 2. Don't
Okay.
video me. I think that's right.
I need
Is that
2.
right?
David, come here.
Yeah, there you go.
Now before y'all, YouTube land.
Now, I count you.
Okay.
So, whoa.
That already.
Cat down there. Oh no.
Oh, yeah.
These
Already.
are gonna hurt, aren't they?
They are.
Right at the front.
You don't have a
You
lighter?
got to give them the lighter.
Is there only 1 lighter?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we can't war. I'm sorry. I just have to hit you.
No, we can. There's only one.
Mhm.
Wait.
Yeah.
Sparkler lighter.
He can light mine.
Sparkling.
Here,
Where's the
stick them out
sparkler?
here.
Hold on.
Stick them out there and your dad will do it at the same time. Oh no. So you want us to
Where's
shoot each other?
mine?
Be careful.
Where's mine?
Yours is down there.
Okay. You ready?
No.
Hurry up.
Which side does it shoot out of?
Look,
The,
the
the
end with the
lightning
yellow.
in.
The end with the yellow is the side that you hold. Hold the yellow.
No, mine didn't get lit. That doesn't count.
Hey! You gotta tear that off, man. See?
Doesn't matter. You can still light it. Woo! Really? It's not bad. Woo! Woo! Oh. I'll do it myself. Hand me it. Hand me it. Hand me it. Hand me it now.
He didn't even tear the thing off. How's it supposed to light?
That may have been on purpose. Yep, I light it. No, I got this. So it shoots out the side you light.
He didn't tear the paper off.
You got it. Don't aim towards your
Dad,
face.
move.
Don't aim towards face. Don't aim right at him.
God!
I hate you.
Yeah, that hit me.
David, don't hit his face.
Oh, crap.
David,
Oh, Jesus, that one hit me.
David, don't hit him for real.
He hit me.
Okay, David. David.
That one was hit me in the head.
He hit me.
It bounced. It hit him. And it bounced.
Hit me in the neck.
I about had a heart
It did this
attack.
look. Wait, wait.
Hit me in the neck.
It's okay. I really was about to have a
It hit me right here.
So, good aim, Dallas. Huh?
But you got a
David.
bruise.
Oh, he did